Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining me again. Today I want to show you all how to make a face mask. So I already have my pattern cut out here. I am going to put a link in the description box below, and it is going to be a link to one of my previous videos where I show you all how to make the pattern. So from the pattern, I have cut out 4 pieces, and what we are going to do, we are going to take 2 out of the 4 pieces and we are going to put them right sides together. After we have finished doing that, what you are going to do is you are going to stitch along this end here of your mask. I have done one already, so you see my stitch along this side here. So you are going to do that for the 2 pairs. Remember, it's 4 pieces you cut out, so it's 2 pairs. What you are going to do next, you are going to stitch down that part inside, right? So this part here that's inside, you are going to stitch it down on the right side of it. So you are going to run a stitch down, straight down here for the 2 pairs. So now that I have my 2 pairs with that stitch down the middle at the front of my masks, I am going to take the right sides and put them together. So we are going to line up my stitches right side together, and we are going to stitch right across the top as well as the bottom here. So now you can see that there's a stitch at the top as well as a stitch at the bottom. Now what you have to do now is you are going to turn over your mask. You are going to pull through the entire mask through one of these openings here. So what you should have now is something that looks like this. I have turned it over, and now you are going to attach the elastic. So what you have to do here is fold this inwards and make a little fold there. So I've folded it in, just push in a little part inside there, and that fold is on both sides. So what you have on the outside is, it's going to look like that on the outside. So you're going to have to do that on both ends before you attach the elastic. So I have folded my mask at both ends, and now I'm going to attach the elastic. Now I bought these at a store that was selling them already cut. So I have a set that is already cut, and these are measured for masks. So this is about 8 inches, and what you are going to do is you are going to insert one end inside on this side, and then you are going to insert another one inside here, and you are going to stitch along this end here at the top. Right, so you're going to see a stitch at the top here, and you do the same thing for the other end on this side. So now you have your face mask with your string or elastic attached there for your ears. So here you have it, your own homemade face mask. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.